If you're looking to create a more engaging and interesting TikTok profile, combining videos is the way to go. In this video, I am going to walk you through how to combine videos on TikTok in a few simple steps. You can use this technique to create mini movies, tell a story, or just add some extra flair to your feed. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first of all, let's open up the TikTok app and then click on this plus icon as you normally would do to create a TikTok. And then tap on this upload option at the bottom right. And then you can choose videos to combine. So I am simply going to select some random videos for the sake of this video and then tap on next. And it will load those clips. And then tap on adjust clips. So when you are on this screen, you can tap on any one of these clips. And you can drag and hold this to select the exact part that you like in the video to include in your combined video. And you can also tap on this to rotate the video. And once you are done with that, then tap this. So you can also tap and hold these videos to reorder them to however you like. And you can tap on auto sync and it will automatically sync everything with the music, and it will match the pace of the video to the beat of the song that you selected, giving your video a more polished look. So if you go over to the default option over here, you can also tap on any one of them. And you can trim this video to the exact part that you like by moving the sliders. And you can also rotate this, and even change the speed of the video by tapping on this icon. And you can choose 0.5x and that will slow down your clip, or you can select 2x and that will speed up your clip. And then you can tap on this check mark at the bottom right. You can also add more clips to your combined video by tapping on this plus button. And once you are done with all of this, you can tap on save at the top right. And that's how you combine videos on TikTok. So you can also add anything to this combined video as you would do on a normal TikTok video. If you have any questions about this tutorial, let me know in the comments below. If not, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials like this one. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day.